Hello 1851 World, I am joined with Philippe and you are on his brand page. What you'll see behind us as we talk about the growth update of Buffalo Wings and Rings is our Google Analytics, which shows that there's 3 people on your page right now. So the growth is good. One of the cool things that we'll talk about in this short little segment is the availability of data and how we've been able to leverage that for Buffalo Wings and Rings growth. But Philippe, do you want to give the growth update? How is the brand doing this year? What are the highlights that you're proud of?
So the highlight, last year was a very good year in terms of franchise sales. We sold 17 franchise agreements. And the good thing is that out of the 17, we have 15 which are moving into site selection and construction. So the entire company is extremely active, from real estate to training and operation.
2014, you did how many deals?
2014, we sold.
2013. Sorry.
2013, we sold only 3 deals. So okay. Going from 3 to 17. And I want to say that I think that the relationship between No Limit and Buffalo Wings and Rings has been very good to get there. A lot of teamwork.
So what do you feel was missing in the past that suddenly came together in the last year that has now propelled some of the growth this year?
So we did a lot of very good work on the building the brand and the brand discipline, the appearance, focusing on our core customers. Unfortunately, we were not getting the word out enough, especially through the PR and the web presence. And this is where No Limit really helped us to be more visible and therefore reach candidates that could be interested by Buffalo Wings and Rings.
So for the prospect that's out there right now, let's talk about the 4 key pillars of franchise sales. So why should someone buy you based on your product?
So the reason why somebody should buy us on our product is, one, the system is profitable. The second, we are in a strong category which is continuing to grow. The third is that even though we are a full casual dining restaurant, we have a lot of system to simplify the operation. And then we think that we have a real passion within the organization. We have passion among our franchisees, we have passion among our vendors, we have passion among corporate, and this is very cohesive throughout all the people of the organization.
Okay. Pillar number 2 being people. Talk about the strength of leadership, and you continue to invest in your leadership team and those that are on your executive team. Talk about the strength of that.
Yeah, so one of the things where we are very proud is that growing the business actually has been about growing the organization through the people. We hire, we train, not afraid to hire people smarter than us. Obviously, we hire people who are expert in their category. And I would say that when prospects come to Discovery Day, they are very impressed by the leadership and all the level in the organization, and that's typically helped to close the deal.
Okay, and how about strength of territory availability? How open is it? Can I still buy in the market that I want to grow in?
So speaking about availability, we have only 60 locations, so there is still a lot of availability. Other competitors may have saturated their market, whereas with us, territories are available.
Okay, and profits, are they on the rise? How much can I make? Anything that you can comment on there legally?
So we have an item 19, and in the item 19 we disclose a lot of the financials. The stores that we are opening nowadays do $2.5 million and above, and it's a very good sales to investment ratio. So we are very appealing to the franchisee/investor.
Great. So all this positioning that you've worked hard to accomplish, has that meant a good year? How's your optimism on how this year performed?
Oh, the optimism is fantastic. And not only we have growth in number of units, but the other point which is very important for the franchisee, our average unit volume, so the increase per location, has been of 13% in average in the last 10 years. So 13% year over year, which is real productivity for the franchisees.
Great. So obviously if you're looking for your next opportunity, perhaps Buffalo Wings and Rings could be the answer. We now have 5 people on the site and they're all looking at it on desktop. Desktop usually means they're more likely to buy because now they're in the deeper research stage versus mobile. So that's good. You have the prospects watching. So hopefully you find the right opportunity for you. And Philippe, thanks for joining us on this short segment that now follows the content below you. Take care.